In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a smooth image zoom effect using just HTML and CSS. We'll use the hover state and transform property to make the image scale up smoothly. Create a div element and give it the class card. Inside the card, add an img element. Set the source to the image inside your images folder and set the alt text to image. Then close the card div. Now target the body element. Set the background to midnight blue. Set the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Next, set the display property to flex. Set align items to center. Set justify content to center. Then add 20 pixels of padding. Now target the card class. Set the width to 350 pixels. Set overflow to hidden. Finally, set the border radius to 12 pixels. Now target the image inside the card. Set the width to 100%. Then set the display property to block. Add a transition of 0.4 seconds with an ease timing function. Next, target the image's hover state. Set the transform property to scale. Type 1.15. This enlarges the image smoothly when the user hovers over it, creating a simple zoom effect. And that's it. You've created a simple image zoom effect using CSS. Hover over the image to see it smoothly scale up. Subscribe to DevFix for more CSS tutorials.